In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Regions Bank online banking password. Whether you've forgotten your password or you're just looking to enhance your account security, these simple steps will guide you through the process smoothly. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Regions Bank website by visiting www.regions.com. Once on the homepage, direct your attention to the upper right corner and click on the Login button. This will prompt you to enter your online ID and your current password. Input these credentials to access your account. After successfully logging in, your next task will be to locate the security settings. Start by navigating to your profile or settings section. Here's where you'll find various options related to your account management. Among them, click on Security Settings or directly on Change Password. These sections are specifically designed to help you manage and secure your online banking information. Once you're in the security settings area, the system will require you to verify your identity by entering your existing password. This is an important step to ensure that only the rightful account holder can make security changes. After typing in your current password, you can proceed to create a new one. When setting a new password, it's crucial to choose something both secure and memorable. Type in your new password and then confirm it by entering it again. Make sure your new password adheres to Regions Bank's security requirements. Typically, this means it should contain a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and be of a minimum length to enhance security. Crafting a strong password is essential in protecting your financial information, so take a moment to make sure it meets these criteria. After you have created and confirmed your new password, you are ready to finalize the change. Look for the Submit or Save button, which is usually located at the bottom of the page, and click it to update your password. Once you've submitted the changes, you should see a confirmation message on your screen or receive a confirmation email notifying you that your password has been successfully changed, and that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily reset your Regions Bank online banking password, helping to ensure your personal information stays safe and secure. If you ever encounter any issues or have questions during this process, Regions Bank's customer service is just a call away to provide assistance. Thanks for watching, and be sure to keep your account secure by updating your passwords regularly.